To effectively utilize InVideo AI for creating professional quality videos, follow this comprehensive guide. 1. Sign up. Visit the InVideo AI website and click on Sign Up to create an account. You can register using your email, Google, or Apple ID. 2. Create a new project. After logging in, click on Create New to start a new video project. 3. Choose a template or start from scratch. Browse through InVideo's extensive library of templates categorized by themes and platforms. Alternatively, select a blank template to craft a video from scratch. 4. Add media. Upload your own images, videos, and audio files by clicking on the Upload Media button. Utilize InVideo's built-in stock library to access millions of royalty-free assets. 5. Customize your video. Text. Add and edit text by selecting the text option. Customize fonts, sizes, colors, and animations. Transitions. Incorporate transitions between scenes to enhance visual flow. Effects. Apply filters and effects to enrich your video's aesthetic. 6. Incorporate audio. Add background music or voiceovers by clicking on the Music or Voiceover tabs. InVideo offers a diverse music library, or you can upload your own audio files. 7. Preview and edit. Use the preview function to review your video. Make necessary adjustments to ensure the video aligns with your vision. 8. Export your video. Once satisfied, click on the Export button. Choose the desired resolution and download your video. For a visual demonstration, consider watching this comprehensive tutorial. InVideo AI, Full Tutorial 2025, Best AI Video Generator. By following these steps, you can efficiently create professional quality videos using InVideo AI.